The ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine has entered a new high-tech phase, with drones becoming the centerpiece of military strategies on both sides. This intensification has not only reshaped the battlefield, but also raised concerns about the broader implications of drone warfare in modern conflicts. Drones are playing a pivotal role in surveillance, reconnaissance, and direct strikes. Russia has deployed a range of domestically developed UAVs, such as the Orlan 10 and Lancet drones, to target Ukrainian infrastructure and military assets. Meanwhile, Ukraine has utilized a mix of domestically developed drones and foreign-supplied UAVs, like the Turkish Bayraktar TB2, to counter Russian advances. The use of loitering munitions, often referred to as kamikaze drones, has added another layer of lethality to the conflict. In September 2024, Rheinmetall Canada unveiled its groundbreaking drone defense technology during the Red Sands 3 exercise at the Shamal Al-Tamir firing range, nestled in northeastern Saudi Arabia. This multinational exercise, orchestrated by the United States Army Central Command in collaboration with the Saudi Arabian Armed Forces, was a proving ground for counter-uncrewed aerial systems, or CUHs, within a simulated high-stakes battlefield environment. The event spotlighted Rheinmetall's state-of-the-art ultra-short-range air defense, or Sharad system, a technological marvel specifically engineered to thwart small, low-altitude, high-velocity drones. With an operational range spanning 50 to 800 meters, the Sharad system repeatedly showcased its ability to identify, engage, and neutralize aerial threats. Remarkably, its performance remained undeterred by the severe desert climate, operating flawlessly under temperatures soaring to 45 degrees Celsius. This robustness underscores the system's readiness for deployment in similarly demanding terrains globally. At the core of this innovation lies the Shorad system integrated onto the Mission Master EXT Unmanned Ground System, or UGS, a stable, highly agile platform. This setup boasts Rheinmetall's advanced Field Ranger multi-remote controlled weapons station, armed with twin Dillon Arrow M134D miniguns, cutting-edge radar systems, sophisticated electronic optics, and an AI-powered targeting and tracking module. Together, these components deliver a comprehensive and layered defense mechanism, capable of addressing both aerial and terrestrial threats with unmatched precision. During the exercise's climatic phase, the Shorad system triumphed across 5 meticulously designed scenarios simulating real-world threats. It effectively neutralized Group 2 and Group 3 multi-rotor drones, as well as Group 3 fixed-wing aircraft, achieving direct hits on every target. Particularly noteworthy was its first attempt interception of every multi-rotor drone, a level of efficiency rivaling even advanced missile systems. This operational excellence, coupled with a notably low cost per engagement, establishes the Shorad system as a pragmatic and sustainable solution for contemporary defense strategies. The distinguishing feature of Rheinmetall's system is its AI-driven tracker, which facilitates early detection and precise classification of drones, even under adverse conditions such as dust storms or low visibility. Its proven resilience against weapon-induced interference, overheating, and power disruptions further cements its reliability in high-pressure scenarios. Alan Tremblay, Vice President of Business Development and Innovation at Rheinmetall Canada, underscored the company's unwavering commitment to enhancing operational readiness and spearheading innovation in modern defense technologies. He emphasized that collaborative exercises like Red Sands 3 are instrumental in refining CUAS technology to meet the evolving demands of the battlefield. As the global landscape of drone threats continues to expand, Rheinmetall's participation in Red Sands 3 exemplifies a forward-looking approach to defense. By merging avant-garde technology with unparalleled operational dependability, Rheinmetall is redefining the standards of counter-drone warfare, ensuring military forces are equipped to navigate an ever-evolving threat environment. The lessons learned in this drone-dominated war will likely influence future military strategies and international policies. However, the immediate focus remains on de-escalation and addressing the humanitarian crisis caused by this ongoing high-tech conflict. The Russia-Ukraine drone war is a stark reminder of how technology is reshaping the nature of warfare. bringing both new capabilities and unprecedented challenges. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more in-depth information about the latest and most advanced military technology updates today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.